Oh, there you go. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, a snack better than crisps, better than potato chips. Crisps as we know them in the UK, from a can. Let's do it, come on. Open the can. It's so technical, this. Now what I will do, I will demo it all here, then we don't have to go to the sink and move everything. Sieve or anything, drain. And we're going to rinse. So I'll just use this same bowl actually. Rinse those chickpeas. There you go. Just give them a little one of those. And if any shells come off, any of the outside skin, remove it. It's up to you. Grab yourself a tray or anything that you can use to flatten out. Okay, we want to go on there with some kitchen towel. We want to take our chickpeas and we want to do that. We want to be giving these a little drying, okay? And I can see, look here, you got some skin, some shells. We'll add that off there. Now, we're not going to go around and de-shell them all. But, you know, if they're loose like this, they're going to be flying around inside the air fryer. So we take them off. Okay? A little drying. Don't squash them. Don't forget, canned chickpeas are pre-cooked. So they're not hard. So nice and gently, we'll have those dried off. There you go, that's good enough. Let's have that off there. Quite a lot of moisture there, look. Oh, there's still a couple of shells there. They look fabulous on there. Right, in a bowl. I'm just going to put them in a bowl to make this easier. What about a tablespoon of oil? Give those a mix up in there so they're all coated. Want a little bit of salt. And we want some potato starch. A couple of tablespoons of potato starch in there. Give them all a big mix. Just let them rest about 5 minutes. Okay, and if there's any moisture on there, it's going to be absorbed into that potato starch. Just leave it. Okay, we've had about 5 minutes. Air fryer basket in there. Just like that. In there. On. And we want about 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. That's it. On, let it do its thing. Now what we're going to do in a couple of minutes, we're going to give it a little shake. Now these things might shrink and go under the basket, but it doesn't matter. Come on. We can soon empty it and take the tray out at the bottom, the basket, not a problem, okay? 5 minutes, give it a shake. 5 minutes, give it a shake. 5 minutes, give it a shake, whatever. Up to you. Just got to keep giving it a little turn. So while that's whirring away, we'll make a little seasoning mix, okay? Now what we'll go for today is a barbecue type seasoning, okay? Want some smoked paprika, a little garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of sugar, MSG, don't use it if you don't want to, and a little touch of cayenne, and that is our mix right there. Check our chickpeas. Give them a little one of those. Back in. Let it carry on. Okay, they've had the 15 minutes. This has to be done whilst hot. So out of there, in there. Seasoning mix, all over there. Give it a little mix up. We want this seasoning to adhere to this chickpea mixture, okay? Back in there. And they're going to have some mix in the bottom. Chuck it on. Move them around a little bit. Back in there. 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes to let it set on the chickpeas. Done. Out of there. In there. Oh, there you go. An easy snack. Crunchy. Oh, nice smoky but paprika flavour. You know, you put on what seasoning you like. For me, a little bit more salt. Up to you. Delicious. An easy snack to make from a tin of chickpeas. There you go. If you like what we're doing, make a snack. Any flavouring of choice. Add whatever you like. Super easy. If you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and share these with anyone. Catch you in the next video.